Hey to everyone over at A&J Total House Cleaning. This is Viola with Generational Leads Atlanta, and thank you for clicking on this video. Now, I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple because there are a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially since they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves and some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help at the end of this, then give me a call so we could chat. If you want to do this yourself, please do. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I can. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, your website, you have a pretty good looking website. I love that you got some photos of what's going on here. You have a good rundown, more photos. Good, good. People love seeing photos. However, Google doesn't rank based on how good looking your website is, though. They rank you mostly based on content. So when somebody goes to Google and they click in cleaning services, Lawrenceville, Georgia, Google's job is to put them in front of the article that's going to answer all of their questions, which typically is the article that has the most words on it. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 1,890 words on it. And you guys' home website, we're looking at roughly about, I want to say 650 words. So you want to bump your contents up on your home page upwards to 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page particularly. If you take a look at your competition, one of your competitors in Lawrenceville, Georgia is Right Touch Maids. Let's take a look at their home page. As you can see, they don't have 1,500 to 2,000 words either. However, that just tells us that they'll be pretty easy to beat and you guys be able to start taking their spot when it comes to ranking on Google. Now, after that, one other thing I wanted to bring up is when you have these photos on your home page or on any page on your website, you want to save these photos as keywords that you're targeting, such as house cleaning Lawrenceville, Georgia. And then you could save the other one as house cleaning Lilburn, Georgia, or whatever it is that you're targeting, simply because Google does not recognize how beautiful the photos are. However, they do recognize the words behind the photo. So that's the other thing I wanted to add there. Now, after that, you want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google bases this off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant websites linking to you. For example, if another cleaning company links back to you, that's going to give you a lot more power than a pizza company linking to you, because obviously Google knows that you don't sling pizza for a living. So, I use this tool over here called Ahrefs, and it basically, as you can see here, I use this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and this allows me to get such valuable information and data about what's going on the back end of the websites. I pay about $150 a month for it. And as you can see, it says here you guys have 15 websites that are linking back to you, which is giving you guys not anything in organic traffic. So that's nothing to scoff at. I mean, there's so many other cleaning companies out there that don't have any websites or don't have a website, nonetheless have any websites linking back to them. So if you take a look at your competitor in the same tool, I went ahead and put them in. As you can see, Right Touch Maids, they have 82 websites linking back to them, which is giving them about 27 extra clients per month in organic traffic and an extra upwards to $200 per month in value. So let's take a look. What I would do if I were you, I would go right in here and I would just go down the list, and you can either create an account with these companies or you could just go click contact us and just ask for a link. But imagine if you guys can beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, you're going to take their organic ranking, which means you're going to take their organic traffic, and it's only upwards from there. So imagine how much more money you can make. I mean, that's pretty much why it's so important to do this. Now, when somebody clicks on Google and they type in, again, for example, cleaning services in Lawrenceville, and they're ready to buy, the first person they're going to call is whoever shows up, the first cleaning company that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you guys want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. So the first thing you always see here are the ads. People always skip the ads, whether it be because of ad blockers or bad experiences. So where you want to rank yourself is right here, which is in the local map pack. And This, in order for you to get here, it requires that you have more citations than your competitors. So a citation is basically anywhere where your business name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc. I mean, these are the most common ones, but the best strategy here is to figure out exactly what directories your competitors are in and put yourself in the same exact directories and then add a bunch more on top. So if, for example, Galatians Cleaning Services has 12 different directories that they're in, get in those same directories and then add another 30 on top of that. And you'll see you'll be in this list towards the front page as well. Now, that's pretty much all I have for you. So you basically want to get your home page upwards 1,500 to 2,000 words so you could beat out your competitor. You guys want to have at least another 40 websites linking back to you so that way you can outbeat, is it 40? Let's see what we said here. I want to say another 90. Yeah, let's do 100, an easy 100. Another 100 websites linking back to you to beat your competitor in that area. And also when it comes to citations, get in as many directories as you can with your name, address, and phone number more than your competitor. Now, if you want to do all this yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I can. Just send me back some feedback. Let me know if this was valuable information. And if you want any help doing this, then feel free to give me a call. My number is attached to the email, 404-345-2771. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a good day.